Hello, my name is Doug Parkin and my role at Advance HE is Principal Advisor for Leadership and Management. And I'm excited to introduce our Spotlight series for senior strategic leaders. So the Spotlight series overall, the principle of it is short, impactful, half-day online workshops of real relevance and topicality for senior leaders at the current time. So that's the nature and ethos of the Spotlight series. Moving on from that, we have a spotlight on inclusion, which is about the thoughtful and inclusive leader. And three things there: a refined sense of balance. And inclusion is very much about that sense of balance we looked at on the previous slide. The future is connected, and increasingly a hyper-connected world, but that connectedness needs to be for everyone. And then finally, and most importantly, to value others ahead of yourself is the very essence of being a thoughtful and inclusive leader. And some of the things that may enable this could be to do with how we work with unintended consequences, continually reassessing the decisions that we make, deliberate and intentional inclusion, particularly around the challenges of virtual working, diversity as a potent force for innovation, and then the numerous acts of enabling that bring about a truly collaborative environment. Series 1 of Spotlight was an incredibly powerful experience, and I'm really looking forward to Spotlight 2 taking us into those areas related to context in terms of the need to reset, to reboot, to re-energize and to rejuvenate the contexts in which we work, live and perform. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.